Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Advanced Protection Program for maximum. To start configuring Google's Advanced Protection Program, visit the official Google Advanced Protection page. Sign in to your Google account. Review the eligibility requirements outlined on the page. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the setup. You will be prompted to verify your identity through a security challenge. Follow the instructions provided to complete the identity verification. Once verified, you will receive detailed information about the features of the Advanced Protection Program. Read through the program details carefully to understand its benefits and limitations. Proceed by clicking on the Enroll button to start the enrollment process. You will then be directed to set up your security keys. Purchase a compatible security key if you do not already own one. Insert your security key into your computer's USB port. If your key supports Bluetooth or NFC, follow the respective instructions for setup. When prompted, tap the security key to register it with your Google account. Repeat this process to add a second security key for backup purposes. After adding your keys, you will need to enable two-step verification. Navigate to the Security section in your Google account settings. Select Two-Step Verification and click on Get Started. Follow the prompts to set up two-step verification using your security keys. After enabling two-step verification, ensure you have backup options available. Consider setting up a trusted phone number for account recovery. Review the account recovery options thoroughly to ensure you are prepared for potential issues. Next, disable less secure app access in your account settings. Navigate back to the Security section of your Google account. Scroll down and find the option labeled Less Secure App Access. Disable this feature to enhance your account security. Review and manage your account permissions by visiting third-party apps with account access. Remove any application. Once all configurations are complete, review your security settings to ensure everything is in place. Regularly monitor your account activity to detect any unauthorized access. Adhere to best practices, such as using unique passwords and keeping your recovery information up to date. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.